Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jest testing with React components, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Jest testing with React components, begin by installing node.js and npm if you haven't done so. Create a new React application using create React app by running npx create React app myapp. Navigate to your project directory by using cd myapp. Install Jest by running npm install save dev Jest. Create a new directory for your tests, typically named __tests __, within the src folder. For each component you want to test, create a corresponding test file in the __tests __. Import the React component you want to test at the top of your test file using the import statement. Write your first test using the test function, ensuring to provide a description of the test and a callback function. Use render from the @testing library/react package to render your component in the test. Make assertions using expect to check that the rendered output matches your expectations. Run your tests by executing npm test in the terminal. Watch the results in the command line to see if your tests have passed or failed. If any test fails, review the error messages provided and make necessary adjustments to your component or test. Remember, testing is an iterative process. Continue to add more tests as you develop your components. Utilize Jest mocking features as needed to isolate components and control external dependencies. Repeat these steps for additional components to maintain a robust testing suite throughout your application. Finally, ensure to keep your tests organized and well documented for easier maintenance in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.